tire cleaner for the tire. You don't have to, you could go APC, but I like to use this one because I'm gonna put Ghost and I need the tires to be. So I initially put iron remover too. So you see that purple stuff? It's bringing all that rust particles, all that purple. And then I got to clean the wheel well. Always start from the top. So if you see that purple, that's all that iron remover, removing all that brake dust embedded in the rim and decontaminating the wheel too. Go for I use this for the nooks and crannies, just in case it misses it. This is just to get the nooks and crannies and where the lug nuts go. That way you get a full decontaminated clean wheel. So this is basically the brushes for. And then kind of finish it off with this. You don't have to do it, but this is the way I like to do it. There's different ways, but I'm just showing you my way. So I'm giving this wheel a deep clean, decontaminating the tire rubber too. So, the detail. So I'm getting foam, white foam, so that means the tire's being clean. So if it's browning, that means the tire was very dirty. But since I did an initial foam, and I did, this is the second time I do it, so that's why it's white foam, so that means the tire's clean. But I still give it a nice scrub, just to make sure. And then after that, I rinse off. Notice I don't put the stuff back on the bucket.